Did you know the global cigarette industry sells nearly 5,600 billion cigarettes every year, and the estimated global cigarette market was worth $888 billion in 2018? Hi folks! Hope you all staying home safely. Today we are going to share with you some insights of companies who reinvented their wheels and successfully relaunched their brands. Let's take British American Tobacco. They state, "Our company continues to go from strength to strength thanks to market-leading brands, a successful strategy, talented people and our purpose to build a better tomorrow." What successful strategy means for a tobacco manufacturer? Today I am going to tell you an interesting story about Dunhill International Cigarette. Before that, do you know the global cigarette industry sells nearly 5,600 billion cigarettes every year? And the estimated global cigarette market was worth $888 billion in 2018. Unfortunately, 1 billion of the world's smokers live in developing countries. Dunhill International Cigarettes entered the market decades back in 1967, the same year that Rothmans International gained a controlling stake in the Dunhill Cigarette Company. Later, in 1999, Rothmans International merged with British American Tobacco, and started selling its products in more than 180 countries globally and hold the market-leading position in more than 50 countries. The Dunhill brand of cigarettes remains one of the 4 leading brands operated by British American Tobacco, along with Pall Mall, Lucky Strike, and Kent. At a certain point, Dunhill thrived to provide the best smoking experience to its customers through innovation. They invented a new variant, Switch, for smokers who prioritize quality first and foremost, offering an extraordinary tobacco experience. The new variant had a filter with a small liquid-filled flavor capsule. When customers click the filter to release the flavor from the capsule while smoking, they can indulge in a second taste of menthol. Positioning among younger smokers, upper-middle class and business professionals became a very successful strategy in providing the best smoking experience, luxury and emotional involvement. What is the takeaway for us from this story of Dunhill? We are pretty sure they discerned that they are hyping an unsolicited product in the market. But their tireless effort to adopt a different approach in providing a better customer experience enabled Dunhill Switch to remain as an outstanding brand in the market. Every business has its own potential, so does yours. Every little change you make adds up to a big difference that is easier to stick with in the long run.